of mine had recommended him because he was their realtor as well, and they had a good experience. And he made it very painless for me. I was kind of nervous, and he's very patient and honest and fair. I asked him a lot of questions. I looked through a lot of houses because I wasn't really sure what I'd wanted. And the people that I'd end up buying my house from, he was selling it for them, so I thought he did a really good job staying neutral and, you know, looking out for both parties, seeing what was in both of our interests. I really appreciated that. I think after a while he made it easier for me too, because I looked online and picked out some of my own houses, and then after he kind of saw what I was looking for in a house, he was able to make recommendations, and the one that I bought was actually one that he had picked out for me, so I think he actually takes the time to get to know his clients. He's funny. He's got a good personality, so he's really approachable, easy to talk to. Never made me feel stupid for knowing nothing about buying a house.